Today, we're going to bust a common myth that has been circulating for decades: the 8 glasses of water rule. You've probably heard it before, the notion that we need to drink 8 glasses of water per day to stay properly hydrated. But is there any truth to this widely spread belief? Let's find out. Before we get started, let's clarify that staying hydrated is crucial for our overall well-being. Water plays a vital role in maintaining bodily functions, but the specific amount we need can vary depending on several factors such as age, weight, activity level, and climate. Let's break it down. First, let's address the factors that influence our daily water requirements. Age is an important consideration. Children, adults, and the elderly have different hydration needs. Additionally, our weight and activity level affect the amount of water our bodies require. If you're physically active or live in a hot climate, you'll likely need more water to compensate for increased fluid loss through sweating. Now let's do some math to estimate individual water needs more accurately. The National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine suggest a general guideline known as the Institute of Medicine formula. It states that an average adult male needs about 3.7 liters, or 13 cups, of total water intake per day, while an average adult female requires about 2.7 liters, or 9 cups, of total water intake daily. However, it's important to note that these numbers include water from various sources, not just from drinking glasses of water. Roughly 20% of our daily water intake comes from food, while the rest typically comes from beverages. Now let's talk about the misconception of only drinking plain water to meet our hydration needs. The truth is, all fluids count toward our daily water intake. That means coffee, tea, juice, milk, and even watery fruits like watermelon or oranges contribute to our overall hydration. So the bottom line is that you don't necessarily need to force yourself to drink 8 glasses of plain water every day. The 8 glasses of water rule is a generalized concept that has been misinterpreted over time. To sum it all up, the 8 glasses of water rule is more of a guideline than an absolute requirement. Our water needs are influenced by various factors, and fluid intake can come from a variety of sources. Thanks for joining us today as we busted the 8 glasses of water myth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.